Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Third wave has started in Mumbai. Maharashtra COVID Task Force member. India Today TV consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai spoke to the top health experts as Omicron cases continue to rise in the country. While Maharashtra COVID Task Force member Dr. Shashank Joshi said the third wave has started in Mumbai. Dr. Hemant Thakur of Breach Candy Chaslok, Bhatia and Reliance Hospital said India may see an Omicron fall in 6 weeks. Excerpts. Dr. Shashank Joshi, member COVID Task Force Maharashtra. This is a cause for concern and caution, but there's no need to panic. The doubling rate is 4 days and all cases are mild and hospital infrastructure isn't overwhelmed. Let us hope Delta is fully replaced by Omicron that causes milder disease. The numbers are huge, but we can still deal with it. The rise in cases intervened by Omicron genome sequencing will show Omicron in 80% of the cases. This is not Delta for sure. The third wave in Mumbai has started. Yes, there are infections without disease and consultations without admission. We are not seeing critical patients. This wave is going to come. Why should we get worried? The spread is fast, but this is like common cold or flu. In Delhi, cases have spiked, but there are only mild. It's Omicron. Symptoms include fever, scratchy throat, running nose, fatigue, backache, and headache. Vaccines are meant to prevent severe disease, so it's not surprising that people have infections. This virus might also be a live attenuated vaccine. Karnataka CM Basavaraj Bommai urges pro-Canada activities to withdraw statewide Bandh call. Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai has appealed to pro-Canada organizations not to go ahead with the statewide Bandh called by them on December 31, demanding a complete ban on the activities of the Maharashtra Ekikaran Samiti. Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai said, "We have taken several decisions as per their demands. For instance, strict action has taken against anti-Canada elements. We are looking into the legal possibilities regarding Maharashtra Ekikaran Samiti. My request to pro-Canada activities is let's not have a Bandh. People are just recovering from the effects of the pandemic. Bandh is not the solution for everything. We welcome them to protest in alternate ways. I request them to cancel the Bandh." Several pro-Canada organizations have called for a day-long statewide Bandh on December 31, demanding a complete ban on the activities of Maharashtra Ekikaran Samiti in the state over its repeated involvement in anti-Karnataka and anti-Canada activities. The demand follows the recent incidents of burning of Kannada flag in Maharashtra's Kolhapur and defacement of statue of historical icon Sangoli Rana and Belagavi allegedly by MES activities. The Maharashtra Ekikaran Samiti, a Marathi outfit, has been campaigning for a long time to merge Marathi-speaking regions in Belagavi with Maharashtra. To a question if our organization tried to implement the Bandh forcefully, he said, "We will take actions accordingly as and when such a suitable arise." However, several organizations like the Karnataka Film Chamber, Commerce, Karnataka Rakshana Vedike, Bruhat Bangalore Hotels Associations, Auto Schools and Colleges Associations, Shopping Malls Association, and several other commercial establishments have offered only moral support and said they will not participate in the ban and function normally. Business establishments have cited New Year brick business for not physically supporting the Bandh call.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.